When designing maps and apps in GIS, color isn't just about making things look good. It plays a key role in accessibility. In today's GeoSnap, I will show you how choosing the right color schemes can make your maps more readable and inclusive, especially for people with color vision deficiency. Let's take a look at how you can design with accessibility in mind. In ArcGIS Pro, you have access to a wide range of built-in color schemes that support accessibility. This can be applied through the symbology pane. Just choose a method first, such as unclassed colors, and browse the color scheme drop-down. Many of the available schemes are based on the Colourblind system. In fact, the Colourblind scheme style includes a variety of Colourblind-Safe palettes, though they aren't labeled away directly in the drop-down. To explore this, go to the catalog. Open the Colourblind scheme styles, and use the search bar to look for the tag Colourblind-Safe. This lets you quickly find palettes with strong contrast that are better suited for all users. Once you have found the one you like, you can apply it to your map and even save it for future use. And if you're looking for more options, the ArcGIS developer site has a free tool that lets you build and preview colorblind-friendly ramps. You can customize color combinations by choosing a color scheme, the number of colors, and whether you want the ramp to be colorblind-friendly. You can also compare different color combinations and copy color values for use in your projects. After you have chosen your colors, don't forget to test them. ArcGIS Pro has a built-in color vision simulator under the View tab. You can simulate different types of color vision deficiency, like deuteranopia, or protanopia, or tritanopia. This will help you to see how your map will look to others. Testing isn't just a nice extra. It's part of responsible user-focused design. Making your maps accessible doesn't just help a few users. It improves the experience for everyone. So next time you are building a map or app, take a moment to test your colors, improve contrast, and add visual variety. For more on accessible map design, check out the ArcGIS Pro documentation or visit our blog for tips and tools. Thanks for watching!